Hey, it's Frey, and today I'm gonna be sharing my favorite ukay and secondhand finds.
Good morning, Cannies. You are listening to Esso, aka Big Macca on Sick.
Just to give you a short background, before the pandemic started, usually nag-uukay ako dun sa may Anonas, yung isang building siya na punong-puno ng iba't ibang ukay. Dahil may pandemic na, nag-try akong mag-shop sa Carousel. Yung price ng Carousel compared to ukay, medyo malaki yung difference niya. Mga double or triple siya ng price ng ukay. Pero understandable naman kasi sa Carousel, it's gonna be up to the seller to price their personal items as compared sa ukay na meron na silang basis kung paano i-price yung item sa store nila. Sa ukay din, meron sila na parang pag hindi nabenta agad yung product or habang tumatagal yung damit dun sa rack, pamura siya ng pamura. But you don't really get that sa Carousel. So honestly, ako prefer ko pa rin yung legit na yung ukay na physical. Pero yun nga, because there is a pandemic, it's not that safe to do it anymore. So let's get started. The first top I'm gonna show you is this plain white blouse from Anonas. I got this for 80 pesos. I'm not sure, but I know you call this style baby doll. Yung parang mataas yung cut niya, tas puff low yung baba. I really like it kasi parang ang last niya maka-demure. Or parang nakaka-fresh yung vibe niya pag suot mo. But one thing to note though, usually when you wear stuff like this, you really have to wear something na medyo tight-fitting or something that's not as loose sa bottom. Kasi otherwise, dahil nga pa-puff out yung cut niya, medyo nakakawala siya ng shape sa body. So, yan lang. The second top is from Carousel. I got this for 180. It's originally from Ripe's Backyard. And yung quality niya is really good. So, I think it's made out of linen, but I'm not sure. But it's really thick material. But it's not like yung super thick na parang pag suotin mo sa labas, super init niya. Hindi naman. Easy to dress up or dress down. So, you can wear jeans with this top and it will look like a very casual, laid-back outfit but still very put together. Or you could wear it with slacks or you could wear it with flowy pants and it would look a little bit more smart casual. Actually, sinuot ko nga to sa isang job interview eh. Okay naman. Mukha naman siyang smart casual. So, the next top is similar to the previous top. I got this from Carousel, originally from Ripe's Backyard din, for 200 pesos. Parang ano siya, iba yung material niya. It's a little bit more madulas. But it's still also very breathable. And I personally like this top because similar to the previous one, it's easy to dress up and to dress down. Gustong-gusto ko yung color niya. Kasi napansin ko recently nauuso yung earth tones and browns and nudes. Because it's easy to pair and it's very flattering to any skin tone. So, the next thing I got is a sweater vest from Carousel and I got it for 250, which is a bit expensive. Feeling ko hindi siya legit na RL, pero okay lang kasi yung habol ko naman sa kanya yung color tsaka yung lining na black. So, you can wear it with a collared top na medyo long sleeves or you could also wear it with like a polo shirt. I know na some people wear this na mismo as a top. I tried doing that but it is a little itchy kasi it's knitted. Ang daming ways na pwede siyang i-style and kahit parang ilang beses mo siya gamitin, it's gonna look really classy. So, the only bottoms na I have here are jeans. I got this from Anonas for magkano ba? 150 pesos. They're the Levi's 512s. Yung cut niya, hindi siya mom jeans eh, pero similar siya sa mom jeans, pero mas pa-flare yung bottom niya. No, ano siya, parang medyo bootcut niya yung vibe niya. It's very flattering when you wear it. Also, it's a stretchy material, so I know na I can use it for a really long time. If ever I gain weight, hopefully not. I know na maraming nakakahanap ng Levi's na jeans sa ukay. So, if ever na makakita ka ng jeans na Levi's sa ukay, kunin mo na kasi the quality is really, really good. Okay, so moving on to the jackets. I have 3 jackets here and I'll start with the first one. So, I got this Fila jacket. Kita ba siya? Oh, hindi siya kita. Ayun. I got this Fila jacket for only 150 pesos. And I got it from Ukay Hub sa Tagaytay. Okay, so this jacket is a bit oversized on me. Large yung size niya. Pero, I don't know, maganda naman yung fit niya sa akin. Yung material niya isn't super thick. So, when you live in a tropical country at gusto mo lang pumorma kahit ang init-init, this jacket is perfect for that kasi hindi ka naman pagpapawisan. So, if you're in Tagaytay, I highly recommend na pumuntahan ng Ukay Hub. Para siyang isang malaking covered court na puro racks and racks of ukay lang. And isa siya sa mga pinaka-affordable na ukay na napuntahan ko. I remember, nung pumunta ako doon, I was able to get tops for 5 pesos, jeans for 10 pesos, and I didn't really get anything that was over 200 pesos. So, ganun siya kamura. Gusto niya na ukay on a budget, pumunta kayo sa Ukay Hub. It's great there. So, the next item I got is this purple windbreaker, also from Anonas. Pagbaba mo ng LRT, may pa-stairs. So, exit ka, may stairs. Tapos, yung unang flight ng stairs, may ukay na agad doon. Nakatabi ng Ansons ata. Pero, magpapasok mo ng ukay doon, pasok ka pa hanggang sa dulo. I think there are 3 ukays inside, I'm not sure. Pero dun sa second na ukay, super daming windbreakers dun. I think I was able to get around 4 windbreakers at that time. And they were really cheap. Like, this one, I think I only got it for 150. Tapos, yung other na windbreakers ko, I was able to get it for mga 150, 120. So, not bad na siya, considering na maganda naman yung quality ng windbreakers nila dun. Anyway, going back to the jacket, I really like this jacket because it's a statement piece. At first, I was really nervous about buying this jacket kasi I thought na mahirapan akong mag-style. Pero, hindi naman. Madali lang naman. Like, you can wear it with a plain shirt and jeans. You can wear it with ang tawag doon, yung plain black na biker shorts and a crop top. And it really matches and it really brings like a pop of color into your outfit. Isang thing din na gusto ko sa jacket na to, may cute na embroidered detail siya sa front. Kita ba? Hindi ko alam. Pero ano, it's just a hand na may pa lightning bolt. Lightning bolt ba to? Lakas maka Percy Jackson. If, let's say, na hindi mo susuotin yung jacket mo. So, may velcro part dito na nabubuksan. Tapos, pwede mong i-fold so it's easier to store. So, yeah, that's also a great feature. Though, compared to the first jacket, it's not as thin. Pero, hindi naman siya yung super thick na parang susuotin mo siya sa snow. Hindi naman ganon. So, yeah, still very wearable in the Philippines. Okay, moving on to the next jacket. So, this jacket is from Baguio. I got this jacket from Baguio. Sa harap ng Burnham Park, so across that, there's this building na papasukan mo. 2 floors siya na iba-ibang ukay. Pero ang dami mong mabibili doon. So, yun. Doon siya nakuha. Pero, ang nice thing about this jacket is it's actually reversible. So, you can opt to use this parang plaid na Sherlock Holmes vibe. Pero, if you want something that's a little bit louder, you can just reverse it and you have this print. Hindi ko masyado vibe yung print na to, pero feeling ko kaya ko naman siya i-style. So, compared to the other jackets, this one is a lot thicker. You probably wear this when you go to other countries already. Super init niya kung susuotin mo dito. Pero kung gusto mong paka-fashion at willing kang mapawisan for the look, then go lang. Ah, okay. Sorry, forgot to mention. I got this jacket for only 120 pesos and I think it's such a steal dahil reversible siya. So parang you're getting 2 jackets in one. Moving on to the bags. I only have 1 bag. I got this small black backpack from Fleur de Lis in Tandang Sora. So, it's originally from Marks & Spencer and I only got it for 100 pesos, which is such a steal. Feeling ko ROI na ROI ko na tong backpack na to kasi sobrang gamit na gamit ko na siya. Sobrang dali lang niya kasing i-pair. It's one of those backpacks na really go with every outfit. na you don't really have to think about styling it. The shape is very unique, so even if plain black bag lang siya, it still adds a little something to your outfit. So one of the things I love buying on Carousel is shoes. I can't really get myself to buy sneakers na mahal. Bumibili lang ako ng sneakers pag 1, naka-sale siya, 2, second hand, or 3, I'm in another country and it's cheaper there than it is in the Philippines. I know a lot of people are a bit hesitant to buy shoes na secondhand because they think it's unhygienic. Ako personally, I don't have any problem with it kasi once I get the shoes, I just have it washed like maybe once or twice and then I sanitize it with alcohol. So, yun. I got 2 pairs of shoes here from Carousel. The first pair would be these Nike Air Monarchs. I got this for only 1,800, still in great condition. I just had to clean it a bit. Pero, I don't know, I like these shoes kasi ang dali niya ring i-pair with anything. Like, the color it's just white, so it literally goes with anything. It's an easy way kasi na to add like something extra to your outfit because of how chunky they are. So, for the second pair of shoes, I don't really have shoes kasi na may color. Like, most of my shoes are really just white or black. So, I wanted to try out shoes na medyo mas on the colorful side, but I didn't want it to be like so bright na parang hindi ko na siya ma-pair. So, I got these Air Max 97s na teal and purple. Super cute niya. Ang dali niya ring i-pair. Hindi naman siya yung super nagsa-stand out na parang kailangan i-pair, parang kailangan i-match mo yung outfit mo around it. And they're super comfy. This was only 2,500 and easily one of my favorite shoes in my closet. So that's it. Those are all my favorite secondhand and thrift finds. I hope you enjoyed my video or even learned something from it about thrifting and Carousel. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'll be making more thrift-related videos in the future. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye!